You want to pick between Kazakhstan or Kyrgyzstan for your holiday? It's hard, isn't it? Let me help you there. This video, I'm going to tell you the difference between Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, and this is only part 1. Let's begin. Number 1, Kazakhstan is very high in popularity and demand, hence it's more commercial than Kyrgyzstan. However, Kyrgyzstan is extremely raw at the moment and not as popular of a destination yet. Kazakhstan is visa-free for Indians. However, Kyrgyzstan is not. UAE residents have to pay $50 visa on arrival, and Indians from India need to pay an additional $75 or $100 for letter of invitation plus $50 for visa fees and apply online. And there are several options in terms of accommodations in and around Almaty. However, Kyrgyzstan, since it's not commercial yet, big chains of hotels, modern hotels, the options are quite restricted. Lastly, for this video, there are plenty of Indian restaurant options scattered all over Almaty in case you're particular about that or you're a vegetarian. Bishkek also has a few Indian restaurants, but much less in comparison to Almaty. Stay tuned for part 2.